Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. No, it's not going to be another camping video. I'm fixing something and I thought, you know what, this might be helpful because I have seen on quite a few of the forums about people having the same issue, and this is going to save you money and effort. But before we get into that, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who watched our last video of me doing the wild camping. It's actually done a bit better than I thought I had, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know because I will happily do them more if you guys would like to see it. So just let me know, just give me a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section. But into this video, I don't know if you guys can remember, but I've been having issues with my passenger door and the fact that it won't actually open. Well, on the inside I have slightly took everything apart. The original door handle snapped, so I got a new set. I've got the one of them already in on the driver's side. Inside the door handle you have actually got like two. I can show you on the old one, but I have broken most of it. You got one there and one on the other side, but it's snapped off, and then the door handle doesn't work then. So I need to try and get that all to fit and extend this because for some reason that's all broken. But the main reason why my door doesn't open is because the external door handle, the actual pivot on the back, is actually broke. Now that's supposed to go there like that, and then as you open and close the door that bit moves, which then sort of does that basically, and then this hook bit connects to something in the door and unlatches it. But that snapped off, as you can see. It's broke there and there. Now what you could probably do is just get a whole new door handle and just fit that and done on with your way. But you can actually fix these without buying a new door handle, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So hopefully this is going to help. But first I need to get this side of the door fixed because you can't even open it from the inside. Now this side, I haven't really took this all apart. This side's easy enough. This is just something that I've done. I must have removed this door card about 20 times at least, on and off, trying to get it to work. The rod that goes from the door handle to the door mechanism actually snapped, so I had to make like a little adapter, and it was just really fiddly trying to get it to line up so it would actually open the door and latch and not bounce. It was just so fiddly. I ended up using a piece of string that didn't work. It was just not working out, so yeah, that happened, but managed to get it to work in the end. Just many times of door card on and off. So there's the door all back together, closes and opens with the inside handle. Now we need to attack this. Now all that happens on the external one, in fact I'll quickly show you. This fits in there just like that. You got a screw at the top, a screw at the bottom, handle comes out, and then that bit there snaps, which is the other end of that. So if you remove that piece, you end up with sort of this. Now if you can get yourself a bolt, a nut and a bolt, if you drill that piece out, that'll fit through there, and then you just use the nut which you're going to put through there. There you go, the nut will go on the opposite side, just up there, but you're going to have to drill it out. So what you need is a drill bit. My camera angles are great. You need yourself a drill bit and a drill, and then get going. Now admittedly you could just go buy yourself a whole new brand new one, but where's the fun in that? There we go. Well, I'm hoping you can see this alright. I have actually reamed that hole out just a little bit, and obviously I've drilled that out. Now that fits through there and fits through there, so that's back to where it should be. Now all I need to do is put that bolt on the other end. I actually hope this bolt fits, and no it does not. Didn't think that through, did I? what you're going to actually have to do is get the right size nut and bolt. I could technically cut, is that metal or plastic? Technically cut a slot into that, make that fit. Well, there's it all put together, nut, bolt, all in, and hopefully this will now fit in the door and work. You can see there, obviously it pivots, but yeah, it's just a pivot point breaks, so that's how you can fix it. Hopefully you can see this, but to install it, it is literally put that bit in as best you can, try and get the top in. There you go, fitted. It's a bit of a wiggle, but it does fit. And then put the screws in. One for the top, one for the bottom, and then pulley up. Also, I know a few of you are probably going to say in the comment, yes, I'm missing a bolt right there, or a screw. I don't actually know where it went, but that door now closes and opens from both sides. So if you was wondering how to fix your door handle and you didn't want to wait around for a new one to turn up, drill bit, nut and a bolt, easy job. I didn't actually take that long at all. Wish I did that months ago. But yeah, there you go. Hopefully that's been helpful. I thought it was a little something just to help you guys along. It's helped me, so hopefully it helped one of you guys. And like I said, thank you very much for all the support, guys. It's absolutely insane. But I'm gonna get myself gone because I've now got to go pick my son up from school. If this video has been helpful, then please let me know. If you've got any ideas or anything you want me to do, that's what the comment section down below is for. But anyway, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for putting up my dumbass. And as always, take it easy.